Hello friends, let us see how we can send emails to a Python program using SMTP library. This is my Jupyter notebook, and here you can see that this is the program which will help us to send emails through SMTP. First of all, what is SMTP? It is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is an internet standard for sending electronic email. We have Gmail or we have Yahoo or any other email service which we are using. So most of them they uses SMTP. And in 1982 it was first defined with RFC 21, and then in 2008 it came up with extended SMTP editions. Here if you see, the first thing I have done is I have imported the SMTP lib. If you have not installed smtp-lib, then you should install it with the help of either the PowerShell and Panda command, or you can basically install it by pip utility. Either of the options are open. Then I have created a server object, and where I have configured the domain or the host of the SMTP server and the port number. This is for communication purpose. Then I need to have two methods invoked. One is server.ehlo and another is server.startttls. So this ehlo is a required function. It is extended hello, which is extended SMTP command. So the purpose is it is sent by an email server to identify itself when connecting to another email server. So that is required. And second one is the startttls. So this is again a required function, and it is used for making secure connections. Okay, so it is also known as SSL or TLS, that is for secure circuit layer. Then we need to log in. So I have put dummy email and password here. So indeed inspiring infotech @gmail.com. And second argument needs to be a password. After that, you can write a message to be sent or content to be sent in the mail body. And the last step is using the server object, server.sendMail. We need to call this function. We need to pass the sender email ID and we need to pass the receiver email ID. And what do you want to send? So that is the message we have written here. That message needs to pass at the end. Right. So once you execute this, after that you will get to see that the email has been sent. Now because the password and email are dummy, so we will get error. Okay, because it will not match the password, username and password not accepted. So I'll just pause the sharing for a second and we'll change the password and send. So let me just update the password and send it. So here now you can see on the screen that this is the output. It is not giving any error. And let us check in the email also. Here, if I go to sent items, and if I see here, so at 9:10 the mail has been sent. So this is a mail. Hello, have a good day. This mail has been sent. So this is how we can send email through Python. So you can try this, and if there is any problem or challenge, you can just let me know. I'll be helping you out to solve that.